Hi, in this video, I'm gonna cover how to use Husky. Husky is a tool that you can do something before git commit or git push. Usually, people do tests before git commit or git push. So let me show you how to use it. So in this folder, package.json, I installed a vtest. It is similar to Jest. And there is a test file here, and it's simple. Test expect 1 to be 1. So that's it. So in this case, let's install Husky. First, we have to make the setting. I will type npx husky init. And if you see package.json, there is a dev dependency and there are scripts as well. It is not installed yet, so we need to install it. And that's it. If see the message, Husky git hooks installed, added 1 package, and audited 36 packages in 3 seconds. So that's it. And then, let's test if vtest works well. So I wrote a script here, test script. So npm test. Yes, it works perfect. And then, let's git commit this file. Let me change this to 2. And let's test it again. It works well. So let's commit it. Git add and git commit -m, I call it 1. Sorry, I didn't tell you how it works. So there is .husky file here and pre-commit is here. So this is written as a default and this command will run before we commit. So let's do this. Add it so we can do git commit. Git commit -m vtest works. 1 passed, but it doesn't work because it is in watch mode. So we have to cancel it. It says we have to press Q, but it doesn't work. So please type Ctrl C. And QQ is here. So I'm not sure you're staged or not. Yes, staged. So we have to change it also this. Go to the file, package.json, and then we have to run it once. --run. And then we have to stage this change as well. And let's see how it works. Git commit -m Task works. It works. And it's committed. Yes, it's committed. So in this case, then let me fail the test like this and see if it works. So git add git commit -m fail version. It's not working. If we refresh it, it is still not committed. So it has to be passed. The task has to be passed, right? And then also not only git pre-commit, but you can do something like pre-push. So it happens before you push. And let me copy this. So tasks will be run before pushing. So in this case, let's change this to 3. 2. No, 3. Alright. And then let's add this. Git add and git commit -m 2. Task will be run and committed. In this case, let's change this. And let's push this. Git push and see what happens. Yeah, test failed. And if you see the repository, see what happens. Check if the push is done or not. Let me refresh it. And there is still prepare. So not 1 or 2 is here. So in this case, let's change this and see what happens. And check if push will be done if we pass the test. Git push again. We passed the test and seems like we succeeded. Let me check and let me refresh it. Yeah, 2 is here. If you check the test file, 3. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.